just wanted to pop in here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I just wanted to pop in to say that there's going to be some accidental footage this evening, so enjoy.
Get out of here! What are you doing?
Goodbye. See you soon.
I'm getting married.
Fantastic.
You look absolutely gorgeous.
To fly away.
Say hi, guys.
Leave the world behind a little while. They go to where the skies are never gray.
Wait, Jen.
Find our hideaway, a blue lagoon, our own uncharted isle. Just close your eyes, we'll fly away. We can go anywhere our hearts will take us to. From Tahiti to Timbuktu.
We're at it.
At any moment we'll be there. Feels like heaven when I hold you and we soar into the sky. It's time for us to fly away.
So I'm not married yet, but if I was, I would do all the laundry for my wife. I would cook, I would clean. I'm gonna be the best husband ever, and so are you, Cooper. You're gonna be a great guy.
What he said.
Luke agrees.
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Update.
$1,002,000.
$1 million.
Above the clouds, I love you. If you dare to go that high, time for us to fly away. We can go anywhere.
To the wedding.
Our hearts will take us to.
The lights are dimming.
From Caracas to Kathmandu.
Hello. Woo!
At any moment we'll be there. And we don't need wings, don't need a plane. And it's no wonder why we were born to fly away. Baby, let's just fly